With the LEDLenser smart light technology, you can personalize your light according to your needs. You can activate and deactivate general features, but you can also select specific light functions and set them exactly how you need them. This way, you can adjust your light to your individual needs. This video illustrates how to program each function. You can use the programming mode to determine how your LEDLenser light should shine. For example, which light functions are available in which order, exactly as you need them and independent of the factory settings. Let's say you want to start with red light, then set light at a dimming level of your choice, and finally set blink light. Switch the light on. Now press and hold the switch for 5 seconds until it flashes red once. From now on, you are in personalization mode. By pressing the switch, the light switches through all available light functions. Please note that different functions are available for different light models. These are shown in the quick user guide. When you want to select a specific light function, press and hold the switch for 2 seconds. It will flash red twice to confirm. If you want to save more light functions, repeat the procedure. Switch to the light function you want to add. Hold the switch for 2 seconds and wait until the switch flashes twice to confirm. When you are finished and do not want to add more light functions, hold the switch for 4 seconds. It will flash 3 times to confirm. The switch personalization is now complete. You have now overwritten the factory settings. Now, when you turn on the light, it will start automatically with red light, change to constant light in the selected dimming level, and then change to the last function you set, the blink light. The next time you press the button, the light goes out because you have not saved any further functions. For lights with mode switch, you can individually program all positions of the mode switch in this way. By factory default, memory mode, backup mode, and low battery warning are enabled, and emergency mode is disabled. When these general features are activated, they will work across all light functions. If you want to know more about the features and their benefits, click on the link in the video description. The features can be activated and deactivated individually. To do so, switch the light on. Now press and hold the switch for a total of 8 seconds. After 5 seconds, the switch will flash red once. Keep it pressed until it flashes red twice. You are now in the setting mode of the optional functions. Now press once to deactivate the memory mode. As confirmation, the front switch will flash red twice. You can reactivate the memory mode in the same way, then the front switch would instead flash green twice as confirmation. To enable or disable another feature, start again from the beginning. First, turn on the light and then press and hold the switch for a total of 8 seconds until it flashes red twice. Now press twice to deactivate the low battery warning. The front switch will flash red twice to confirm. You can also re-enable the low battery warning in the same way. Then the front switch would flash green twice instead of red twice to confirm. The emergency mode and the backup mode can be activated and deactivated in the same way. For the emergency mode, you must press the switch 3 times after holding it pressed for 8 seconds. For the backup mode, you must press the switch 4 times. Successful activation is indicated by the switch flashing green twice, and deactivation is indicated by flashing red twice. Here's a short summary to show you the steps needed. To reset all previously personalized settings, you can set the light back to default mode. Switch the light on. Then press and hold the switch for 8 seconds. Let go briefly and press and hold the switch again for 5 seconds until it flashes 4 times. The light has now been successfully reset to the factory settings. Have fun with your LEDLenser portable light.